Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the pressure meter, which is a empirical method used in geotechnical engineering to assess the sustainability of excavation, evaluate soil settlement, design deep foundation, and optimize ground improvement technique. My group member is Eva Mohammad Nakif and me, MD Ashikur Rahman. Okay, introduction. A pressure meter device is inserted into a borehole in the soil. This device usually consists of an expanded Marvin pressure sensor and a control unit. The pressure meter is inflated existing pressure against the soil. The pressure meter required to deform the soil is measured, typically in increment while monitoring the volume change of the marble. The data collection during the test is analyzed to determine parameters such as the soil modules of deformation, stiffness, shear strength, and stress strain behavior. This information is critical for understanding how the soil will respond under different loading conditions. VMT results are used in geotechnical design to assess the sustainability of excavation, evaluate soil settlement, design deep foundation, and optimization ground improvement technique. Okay. The formula for calculation of the pressure required to deform the soil is not provided in the context. However, it is mentioned that if the pressure meter test does not reach a certain volume, you cannot directly find the pressure required to deform the soil to a larger volume. Instead, you can fault pressure against the volume for the plastic phase to extrapolate the pressure required to deform the soil of a larger volume. Then, for this calculation, as an example, let's consider a pressure meter test from the NCSU research site, where the test was conducted using BX probe, BX probe at the depth of 12 to 14 feet. Since the pressure meter test didn't reach 895 centimeter cube, we cannot directly find the pressure required to deform the soil to the volume. Instead, we can fault pressure against the logarithm of volume for the plastic phase to extrapolate the pressure required to deform the soil to 895 centimeter cube. Then, the conclusion, the VMT pressure meter test provide valuable information about the stiffness or modules of deformation of the soil. A higher model indicates a stiffer soil which may be preferable for supporting heavy structure or minimize settlement. The test can also provide insight into the undrained shear strength of concept soil. Beside on the pressure volume curve obtained during the test, engineers can understand the stress strain behavior of the soil, which help in predicting how the soil will respond to different loading condition and designing structure according. Think that's all for me. Thank you so much.